Hello everyone, Professor Halsey here, and I wanted to show you how to create a nice simple Wix site that will get you credit for your final project and impress potential employers as well. So you're going to give them a lot of content throughout your coursework as you store it all here on this Wix site. For those employers to come look at once you've completed your degree or as you start to wrap up your degree and begin to look for work. All right. Wix is like any other business, they're trying to sell you stuff. So anytime you click on an extra AI image editor, adding in the neat little designs and stuff that they have for you, that's going to cost. What I'm trying to show you here today is how to get started and do a simple one that will not cost you any money. All right, and that's how we intended it. I do not want you to have to pay for this site because you can do a simple site here for free. All right, so we'll get started. Okay. I'm not sure which emails I've used here, so I'm going to try this one. And see if that'll work. May come back and tell me I already have an account, but that's all you have to do to sign up. If you already have an account, then you just log in here. Okay, so once we get logged in or get our account created, it brings us here to let's get started. Who are you creating a site for? So I'm click myself, business, or a friend. And what's the best way for you to get started? And what we're going to do is come over here and go skip. Set up without chat. Again, anything you try to add, start a chat, it's going to add money. So at this point, we just want to get as simple as possible. So I'm going with portfolio here. It prepares our dashboard. And then we're going to get to design our site. You want to give it a name. All right. Any apps that you choose are going to add money onto it. So you want to skip or continue and go back to the dashboard. Okay. Again, you want to add a custom domain name. That's going to cost money. We don't want to do that. So we're just going to go to design site. We're going to pick a template. I'm going to click here on personal. And then the one that I like a lot is this one. It's real simple. So we hit edit. Okay, I don't think it clicked right. There we go, edit. Give it a second. Anytime any of this comes up, just close it out. Again, they're trying to charge you money, and that's okay. That's their job. Ours is to get through this without having to pay them any money. All right, so I'm going to come over to Site Design, and here you can change your theme and everything that and make it look different. We can click here and go to the little pencil. In this area, we can come and change the picture to our own picture. And down here, there's the a paragraph. You can change that and tell a little bit about you. All right. Now, if you want, there's a way to make the link to the projects work, but for the quick and easy, we just come up here and change our name. All right, come on. All right, and with that, you don't even have to change the picture. You can change the picture, but what we want to do is add our media. So I'm going to come down here to the mountain with the sun or the moon or whatever this is and click on media. Now, in my last video, I made my MP4, so you can load your PowerPoint, or I'm going to try to load my MP4 here. So we click on this upload media symbol, the blue circle with the arrow in it, media upload. Okay, and mine is on my computer. Wherever you have it stored, you can pull it in from. Mine is on my computer. And I'm going into a folder so I can find it. Okay, and I'm first going to upload my PowerPoint so you can see that that's my PowerPoint. Open. Okay, so then that drops on my page, and all I have to do is move it over here. I can double click right here. It usually will let me edit my name. Okay, not that part. I wanted to edit my file name down here. Instead of calling it document, let's see if it's in the design. So it's a PowerPoint, and that's good. I think that's part of what we can select there. I know there's a way I can change that file name. Show the title. There. Should be templates.pdf. It should be course project CIS 106, or whichever class it happens to be for. Okay, so I have my document there, and that's all we're required to do is upload this document and have it available for our professor. So to finish this off, I'm going to come up here and hit publish. Once I do, it gives me a web address, so I'm going to copy this web address. Come on. You can see this is my edit, your name here, and there's my file down there. So perfect. Now I can copy this web address. And what I want to do is test it in another browser. So I'm going to come over here to my Google Chrome and test my link and see if it comes up in this other browser. And it does. There we go. I'm good to go. Thank you. Hope you have a great end of your session and look forward to getting started with your new courses. Holler if we can assist. Thank you.